Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this particular video, I am going to discuss 10 phrasal verbs that start with H letter in English. If you want to make your English more stylish, more professional, you will have to learn use of phrasal verbs in your daily communication. So make sure do watch this video till the end. And one more thing, I have an amazing gift and this is an ebook. By the help of this ebook, you can enhance vocabulary and pronunciation of your child using 8 tips which I have written in this ebook. So don't forget to avail this ebook which is absolutely free. My name is Dr. Ratan Patel and I am an English grammar trainer. I help students in improving their English grammar. So let's deep dive into today's topic, phrasal verbs that start with H letter. So here is a first one and this is hand down, to give or leave something to somebody who is younger than you. सौंपना, परंपरागत ढंग से देना. Most of his clothes were handed down to him by his older brother. Next one is hang about, to wait or stay near a place not doing very much. भटकना, बिना किसी उद्देश्य के खड़ा रहना. Kids hanging about in the street. Next one is hang on, to hold something tightly. जकड़कर पकड़ना. Hang on tight, BR off. Next one is have something back, to receive something that somebody has borrowed or taken from you. वापस पाना. इसका एग्जाम्पल है You can have your files back after we have checked them. Next one is help out, to help somebody, especially in difficult situation. किसी की परेशानी में किसी की मदद करना. When I bought the house, my sister helped me out with a loan. Next one is hit out at somebody, something, to attack somebody, something violently by fighting them or criticizing them. जबरदस्त हमला करना. I just hit out blindly in all directions. Hold on, survive in a difficult or dangerous situation. परेशानी आदि में डटे रहना. They have managed to hold on until help arrived. Next one is hunger after for something, to have a strong desire or need for something somebody. किसी चीज के लिए तीव्र लालसा रखना तथा उसे पाने का प्रयास करना. He hungered for knowledge. Next one is hunt down, to search for somebody until you catch or find them, especially in order to punish or harm them. खोज डालना, छान मारना, हस्ती मिटाना. The president warned that terrorists would be hunted down. And the last one is hush up, to hide information about a situation because you don't want people to know about it. छिपाना, दबा लेना, शांत होना. He claimed that the whole affair had been hushed up by the council. I hope you found this video helpful and more informative. If you have any doubt or question in your mind, put your question and doubt in comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.